And I want to give an example because I know some of you are already thinking this. So let's say we got a short-term rental, we have to go and stage it. And so we bought a bunch of furniture from IKEA. Matt goes there, he's putting together the furniture. I'm just kind of there as moral support, watching TV while he's doing it. My hours don't count. Why? Because I'm not actually doing anything for the short-term rental. I just happen to be there. Okay. On the other hand, if we bought IKEA furniture and we're both putting it together by himself, maybe it would have taken him, 5 hours to do it, but together we did it in 2.5 hours. Both of our time counts because we're both there working on things, right? Or maybe he's doing the furniture, I'm painting a room, then both of our hours count. When you're looking at counting hours, just make sure you understand that you're tracking the hours of someone actually working on the properties and not just simply, being there. Short-term rental material participation hours are only including hours of the short-term rental property. So if you're someone who has 3 long-term rentals and a short-term rental, to use the short-term rental losses, you're only looking at the hours spent on the short-term rental properties.